Hello, Grateful Gang. If you think that budgeting and planning can't be adorable, I hope this video will change your mind. Let's turn this acrylic plain A6 notebook into my new favorite everyday carry. Let's unbox what I've got going on here. I'll tell you what I had already and what I bought on Amazon. I will make sure, of course, to link down below where you can get it. I already had this Elmer's glue. It's supposed to be rubber cement, no wrinkle glue. I'm not sure I'm gonna use it only because when I do that, it looks kind of cream. It doesn't look like it may set clear, and I want it to set clear, okay? Now I do have this clear transparent E6000 glue, which I'm aiming to use, and I've had this for a while now. So I will link a set of gems that comes with glue and also the glue by itself if you don't have it already at home. Then I bought these letters. Now you don't need all of this stuff, and as we go, I'll tell you what you do and you do not need. Like, you don't need these letters. I just wanted to put a word on there. This is what they look like. Y'all know I love a gold. So they're just gold alphabets. They're usually used for, I think, jewelry making and whatnot. They are a lot smaller than I thought they were going to be, but that's okay. Why did I do this? I wanted a cute carry notebook, but everything I was seeing in the stores, I wasn't in love with. And then I want to give credit where credit is due. I saw Baddies and the Bag, I think her name is. She had like put out a different pink box or something. These are little glass stones. Baddies in the Bag had this cute little box that she came out with, and y'all know me, I'm trying to declutter, not add too much stuff, and as cute as the box was, it probably really wasn't for me. Look at those are glass gems. These are also smaller than I thought. Maybe I should have measured before I did all of this. However, she had this binder book, which is probably for cash envelopes, and she had that in her stash, and I was like, in her box, and I was like, oh my God, that is so cute. So I went on her website to see if maybe she sold that on its own, and she did. But for me, it was a little bit more than my budget. But I can tell with all the work that we're probably gonna have to do this one, this is why. I also didn't feel bad about trying to make my own, because when I talked to another friend, she said that Baddies in the Bag had already made a video showing you how to make this. So I was like, okay, cool. So I'm going to go try to make this. So these were the charms that I chose. Y'all know I love a good neutral. I mean, really, y'all already know that. So I love these, and I'm loving that they're slightly bigger. There were different charm sets, and I'll link a few that I thought were pretty that came in like pinks and different colors. But you know I love my neutrals. I couldn't find one that had like all warm colors. That's okay. I already had the tweezer, so I'm going to try to use this to pick up gems and things like that to keep my hands clean. I already had this. This actually came out of one of the painting sets. Listen, if I can do this by the end of the video, you can do this. Last but not least, absolutely need this, is the acrylic binder. So this acrylic binder is scalloped, because I'm telling you, I think I should have been born in the decade where scallops, arches, and things that have the ribbing, or what is it called? Yeah, I call it the ribbing, but y'all know what I'm talking about, I think. That era was totally me. And of course, what? They're going to be gold. They're either going to be gold or rose gold, because I love my gold.
Gold. I love gold.
And this one I really like because it came with paper already. Now, I will say this paper does not have lines, so I might buy myself some lined paper, but I did like that the set came with paper already, and they put some in here for you already. I'm going to take this apart so that I don't mess up any of the paper and stuff that it came with.
Thought I had to try to make no mistakes. I prep ahead of time. I'm never late. Make it there on time. Don't bring down the mood. Greet them with a smile.
All right, guys. So I did it. I did get it, and it is nice and clear. We love that for us. I'm gonna put all of the charms. They're all flat back charms. So if you're gonna look for your own and you don't like what I've chosen for you down below, look for flat back charms. That'll lead you on the right base. And so I'm just gonna turn all of mine over and I'm gonna look at what I have and I'm gonna start placing what I want where I want it.
Thought I had to try to make no mistakes. I prep ahead of time. I'm never late. Make it there on time. Don't bring down the mood. Greet them with a smile.
All right, guys. So this is kind of what we're going for. Let's see if I can put a little glue down and like just move them off and pick them up as I do like a couple rows at a time. Oh, Lord, pray for us because I literally, there's not that many left. That's all that's left. And I was like, I probably should have bought a bigger pack. Of course, I will link down below many, many more options, but I'm ready to glue now. I can understand why she charges what she does because that took time.
New love, can we get high? New love, no drugs. I'm ready to fly, no drugs. Pull up, if I'm on your mind, pull up above. When you come inside in us, I am baptized, I am alive again. Give me new life, take me to heaven. When it feels right, that's that ascension. Never go back to when we before you forgot my worth. Your love for me feels like a rebirth. I don't wanna lose this high, wouldn't wanna lose this high. I just wanna make me yours, I just wanna make you mine. Before you forgot my worth. Your love for me feels like a rebirth. I don't wanna lose this high, wouldn't wanna lose this high. I just wanna make me yours, I just wanna make you mine. Mine. Enough. I've waited as long as I've lived. Time's up. Come get what's yours and what's real. Boot up. Blissful in each other's skin above. Finally risen to the occasion. Past love's forgiven.
Alright, guys, so this is what it's looking like right now. I don't know if I want this one hanging off like that. It's still able to shift a little bit. Hopefully it dries down soon. My little word is so tiny that it does say flows. And that's what I wanted. Now, I did get these little diamondy things because I'm not a big pearl fan. And because there's little spaces that I couldn't fill, I'm going to see what putting a few diamonds in these empty spaces is going to look like. I feel like this is going to be the hardest to work with because they're so small. But I might just drop them in there and hope they stick.
Take it away, feeling too good to me. Chilling all day, all in your space is where I wanna be. Here in this room, what did you do? I just can't get enough. Too caught up in your love. I've been trying to forget, but you won't let me. Something in my brain wrong.
All right, Grateful Gang, we have made it to the end of the video. It is beautiful. If I can do this, you can do this. I hope you can see all the little sparkles in there. The gems were a little smaller than I wanted, but they are just right for what I needed. And I also think the wording was a little small. I wish I had found some gold bubble letters, but this is my first one. I wanted to see if it sparkled a little bit better in the darkness, so I turned off the light there for you. However, I'm wondering if I want to make these for my coworkers, or at least 2 or 3 of them, for their birthdays. That was very, very stress relieving for me. It's almost like coloring. I may have a new hobby. I do not plan on selling these or anything like that, but I did have fun making them, and now I feel like I need to make one for my niece and some family members and things like that. Excited to add the paper inside. You guys, let me know, how did I do? Thank you so much for rocking with me. Thanks for watching. Remember, in order to be great, you got to be grateful, and I'm super grateful for you. Have a wonderful, blessed day, y'all. I love you, mean it. Bye.